Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to transfer Fundbox funds to another business account. If you need to move your Fundbox loan or credit line funds to a different business user, whether it's for payroll, vendor payments, or managing multiple accounts, here's a quick guide to how to do that. The first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Fundbox dashboard. So head over to fundbox.com and sign into your account using your credentials. The next step is to select draw funds or credit lines. Now from the home page, just click on the draw funds option to initiate a withdrawal. Third step is to choose a linked bank account. Now Fundbox will display all bank accounts that you've connected, and if the target business account is already linked, all you got to do is simply select it. To add a new business account, you're going to go to settings, bank account, and then click add accounts. Now you can enter the new account details or sign in via your online banking credentials. Fundbox may verify it instantly or ask for micro deposit verifications. The fifth step is to confirm the transfer amount. Now enter the draw amount that you want to send and ensure that it aligns with your available credit. Last step, submit the transfer. Click draw funds and choose your desired bank account, confirm and submit. Now there are a couple of things to note here. The first is transfers may take 1 to 3 business days to reflect, depending of course on your bank. Second, you can't transfer funds between two external business accounts directly using Fundbox, only from Fundbox to any of your linked accounts. The third is to make sure the destination account is a business account. Now some personal accounts may not qualify. Managing multiple accounts, well, Fundbox makes it easy to direct funds where your business needs them the most. And if you like this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Fundbox tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.